If you're looking to enhance your Target shopping experience and avoid empty shelves, knowing the restock schedule can be invaluable. Most Targets typically restock on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, primarily overnight between 10 p.m. and 10 a.m., although this can vary by location and store size. Specific items often get restocked on different days, such as electronics and kids' clothing on Mondays, personal care products on Wednesdays, and housewares on Fridays. To find out your local store's exact restocking days, it's best to ask an employee or manager directly. For optimal shopping, visit the store the morning after restock days or check Target.com, which updates daily around 9 a.m. and allows you to purchase items for home delivery. Additionally, grocery items are generally restocked daily in the afternoons, ensuring you won't encounter empty shelves when shopping for essentials. To streamline your visit, use the Target app or website to check product availability at your local store before heading out.